In the past few days, I have made $54,000 on my meme coin challenge from $1,000 to $100,000. And if you look very, very closely, $23,000 from these meme coins have been made in the last 24 hours. In this video, I'm going to give you a no BS approach. I'm going to reveal to you all the secrets to actually make money with meme coins. So first of all, you need to be using Axiom Pro, and you need to be using the link in the description, because this link will give you the best rewards. So they will actually give you money back for using the platform, and the cheapest fees. Now, this is a big part of me to be successful making money in meme coins, because as I trade my trade volume, I also get paid in the trade volume, and I compound this back into my trades. And if you are new to meme coins, I'm going to give you just a quick understanding on Axiom platform. And if you haven't, at least you can know the filters that I use. All right, so this section here is for the new pairs. So this is when the new pairs get released on pump.fun. All right, you can leave this with no filters. That's fine. Final stretch, however, here's are the filters that you need. Go to metrics. You need 3,000 volume minimum, 6,500 market cap minimum. Okay, and I'll explain to you why you need these, what exactly does it mean, and the age 5 minutes. So let's break it down. 5 minutes because you want coins coming in with the volume and they're coming in fast. Okay, you don't want to be watching old coins. You want something that's coming in the next 5 minutes, that has volume, that you can look at fast. Okay, metrics. Make sure there's at least $3,000 worth of volume. So this is gonna show you coins that people are buying and selling. You don't want to look at coins that people don't want to know about. So you want to know the popular coins. You want minimum 6,500 market cap. So this sieves through all this BS here, but you keep this so you can see, what's coming in straight away. Something might caught your eye, and as you get good at it, you get pattern recognition. Sometimes you can click by it. All right. So final stretch showed you the filters. Now let's look on migration. Migration, very simple. So audit, you need what we got here on audit. You don't need nothing on audit. And on metrics, $50,000 minimum volume, 50,000 market cap, and 10 global fee paid. Okay, let's break this down. Why we have the global fee paid? Because this shows that it's an actual real coin. It's actually getting volume, and the exchanges are paying them for the volume. So they're getting real volume. That's why they're getting paid. All right. So 10 is minimum. $50,000 market cap. So you've got things that have momentum. All right. And I'll tell you what we do with the migrated shortly. I have a couple of different strategies, which I'll show you in this video. So it's got volume. It's not a rug. It hasn't rug straight away. It's still alive, basically. All right. And the market cap, 50,000 volume and 50,000 market cap. All right, cool. So strategies. Let's break down each strategies. Okay, that's made me this kind of money. So I make money from new pairs just because I am in the trenches regular. So if I see something that's new, unique, different, I will take a risk and I'll quick buy it. I remember, if you quick buy something that you see, you can, you have a quick glance here, you can see if it's some sort of news, viral event, you quick buy it. Then you're getting in at 5K, 10K market cap. Then this goes to 100K. You're already 10, 20x. All right. So that's one situation. But be very careful. You need to have, a lot of time in the trenches for that. So that's my secret sauce for new pairs. My secret sauce for final stretch is I look here. So like this now, 3 seconds. Came in 3 seconds. I have a quick look, quick glance. So I know 3 seconds is coming with a lot of volume. And then I quickly have an investigation. Boom. Old. So down here, I look at the time. 15 minutes old, quite old. Look at the charts. Obviously, it's a bundle. Anytime you see a big green candle like this, guys, it is a bundle. The dev, the team holds most of the play. So quickly, I would come back off. Look again. What do I see that has just come out first? Tesla, 34, bundle, gone. First of all, you just need to look at the bundle. If it's bundled, stop wasting your time. Get out. All right. And when you see it bundled, make sure you do this. Hide the token and blacklist the dev. Okay. So then you won't see anything from this dev, this rugger scammer again. All right. Chipmunk. Okay. That was the same one from earlier. We can do the same thing. Hide, blacklist, done. All right. So you can see now many chipmunks are coming out. So you know that this is obviously something viral, something new, something good. And then you have a look around. What's going on? Boom, look here. Chipmunk, 40 minutes ago. Obviously, I would have seen this if I was making a video. So I would have noticed this already. But if you didn't, now we're going to pop over to the migrated. And then this is what we would have done. All right. Migration right now is around, should be 80K, 86K market cap. So this is how we get in these ones, right? So 86K market cap is here. So what we wait for on these ones, guys, we wait for to see what happens at migration. This is if you got in at migration. Look very carefully. What did it do? Let's get our tools here. Path. What did it do? Okay, so this is all from new pairs. Okay, up to graduated. And it graduated here. Oh, here. Down, up here. So what happened? It went up, right? We wait for it to what? To retrace below migration. And it did here. Right? Below migration. And then it will accumulate a little bit. And then it usually dumps down again. All right? Jumps down again. And this is where you get up, where you see this big green candle. This shows volume coming in. Also, you see from down here, a volume spike. You see this volume spike? No volume spike here. Volume spike there because it went up. No volume spike. Boom. You start seeing volume coming to in. Then you get in. All right. Sometimes if you miss this one here, you can also get in on the retracement because it will rebound now from this support line because now it has support. So that is the secret sauce for migrations. So that is a quick tutorial, a no BS approach, how I make tens of thousands of dollars with meme coin trading. Now, 2 options. You can watch my free content, figure out yourself, trial, fail, and hopefully you succeed. Or if you want to join my inner circle, which is private coaching, private mentorship from me, I only allow a handful of people in at a time. There will be a application in the description. Fill that out. If you get accepted, you will be hearing back from me shortly.